Hey, Pooh. 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 What? Yeah, what? Hold on, let me get these off. I feel good. What you doing, Pooh?
Listening to James Brown.
You bad. Yeah.
I feel good.
Okay, that's all kinds of special.
So good. So good. I got you.
All right. So, Pooh, we are going to talk about these knobs a little bit. Knobs. What's a knob? Knob is something you turn, like the jar on your honey. Honey, yeah, I got me some honey. Can I get some honey? I'm hungry. In a little bit, when we're done. So we have a large knob and a small knob. The large knob is for the vibrations on the table. The small knob is for the headphones. We made these physically different in size to help your clients when they're laying on the table so they can just feel, and you can just let them know. The smaller knob is for the headphones, the larger knob is for the vibrations. Or they can just reach over and feel which one they want to adjust. Sometimes clients like to adjust it during the session. Now the important thing to know is that the headphones have a safety feature on them, so it does not turn on at full volume when you initially turn this on. The way to activate it is to either push in and you'll hear it pop and push out again, and that should activate it. Otherwise, turn it several times around counterclockwise if somebody has the headphones on, clockwise or counterclockwise if no one has the headphones on. You're basically going to just wake it up by either pushing or turning. The frequencies for the massage table do not have that. So whatever you left them at, they'll stay at. And that's just a rotary index. You just turn it up or down to your own comfort level.